Hey, it's your boy Rich B here with Good Enough Spanish. Now, in my last video, I went over numbers 11 through 15. Today, I'm going to teach you numbers 16 through 20 in Spanish. So without further ado, let's get down to it. Okay, so first things first. How you say numbers in Spanish? I said it in one of my last videos, but if you don't remember, hey, numbers in Spanish is números. Números. Okay, so let's write that at the top. It just feels befitting to do so. Números. N-U with the accent, M-E-R-O-S. Números. So just sit back and take this in and do as I say. I know what I'm talking about. So when you look at me, just think, do as he say. Okay? Do as he say. Do as he. And if you got that right there, you halfway there because that's how this pattern of numbers start, this group. Okay? They all start off the same way. Except for this one down here, do as he say. They kind of sound like what I'm saying. Do as he say. Dice, dice he says. Dice, do as he say. Do as he, dice, dice siete. You see what I'm saying? So back to number 16. What? Do as he say? Do as he, dice, dieciséis. Okay? Now, that little accent over that E just tells you it's a little bit more stress over that letter. That's why it's dieciséis. Okay? Number 17. What? Do as he say? Do as he? Dieci? Do as he? Dieci? Diecisiete. Got it? Diecisiete. Okay? Number 18. What? Do as he say? Dice, 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 18. 18. All right, you getting it? Okay. Number 19. Let's keep it going. Number 19. What? Do as he say? Do as he? Dice, dice, 19. You see that? 19. 19. And number 20. You entering another zone now. You entering the mountaintop. You done made it now. So I want you to raise your hand in the air and hit the sky and say, 20, 20, bang, 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 bang. 20. Okay? There you go. You bad, you bad, you bad now. Woo! You got it. So now today you've learned number 16 through 20. And you learned it in a way that it's going to stick in your brain. Okay? Now, the reason I do it a little differently, I break them down, the numbers down in chunks, instead of just feeding you like all the numbers at once, 1 through 100, 1 through 1,000. Because I feel that by breaking it down in chunks, you'll learn and retain the information better. Okay, especially as a beginner, it's just hard to try to retain everything. You may think, but it's just too much. It's like feeding you with a fire hose. It's just too much. Okay, so like I said, I break it down in chunks to help you learn the information better, also retain the information over time, and also certain numbers in Spanish, they just group together and share a certain pattern together, and it's paired together better than other numbers. So that's why I do it. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to like and subscribe because, trust me, you don't want to miss a thing. And until next time, remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.